小学校で習う仕事 cook, chef, pastry chef, baker, hairdresser, cartoonist, writer, nursery school teacher, groomer, office worker, clerk, florist, soccer player, baseball player, figure skater, singer, comedian, designer, pianist, actor, artist, musician, volunteer. See you in my next video.